Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm really happy you're here today because this lesson is going to make a big difference in the way you speak English.
Yes, today we're talking about how to speak English naturally, the way real people talk every day. No more stiff sentences, no more robotic speaking, and no more feeling shy or unsure.
Exactly. A lot of learners think they need perfect grammar to sound natural, but that's not true. What you really need is confidence, simple phrases, and the right speaking habits, and that's what we're going to teach you in this episode.
So, if you've ever felt like your English sounds too slow, too formal, or too textbook, this lesson is for you. We'll break everything down step by step, and you can follow along easily.
Just relax, listen carefully, and copy the way we speak. That's the secret. Speaking naturally isn't about big words, it's about rhythm, tone, and comfort.
We'll show you how to think faster in English, how to use common expressions like a native speaker, and even how to train your mouth to sound more natural.
And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to practice every day to make your English smooth, confident, and natural.
All right, are you ready?
Let's go!
Natural speaking starts when you stop translating from your own language. And I know that sounds scary at first. Many learners are used to thinking in their native language, building a sentence there, and then trying to move it into English. But that process is slow, confusing, and it makes your speaking sound unnatural.
Exactly. Think about it. When you translate in your head, your brain is doing double work. It's like opening two apps on a weak phone. Everything becomes slow. That's why your sentences break, your confidence drops, and you feel nervous while speaking.
So here's the trick. You don't need to translate big, complex sentences. Start with tiny, everyday thoughts directly in English. Keep it simple. For example, instead of thinking in your own language and then translating, I am feeling a bit hungry, just think the English words, I'm hungry.
Yes, small, natural phrases. Say things like, let's go. Wait a second. I'm tired. Sounds good. Come here. 1 minute. I don't know. When you use these short expressions often, your brain starts understanding English, not as a second step.
And this is important. Natural speaking has nothing to do with perfect grammar. Even native speakers don't think about grammar rules when they talk. They don't stop and think, should I use present perfect or past simple? They just speak, and you can do the same.
Right. When you force yourself to translate every word, you lose your flow. You sound robotic, and your sentences come out too formal. But when you think directly in English, even if it's simple, you sound smoother and more natural.
Here's a small practice exercise. Starting today, choose 5 moments in your day to think in English. For example, when you wake up, say in your head, I'm awake. When you eat, this is good. When you walk outside, nice weather. These tiny things build your English brain.
And the more you do it, the faster your brain gets. After a few weeks, your speaking becomes automatic. You won't even realize you're thinking in English. It just starts happening.
So remember, simple words, small thoughts, no translating. That's the foundation of natural English.
Your brain learns faster when you speak without overthinking. Trust the process, stay relaxed, and let English become part of your daily life.
Native speakers don't say, I am feeling extremely good today. Nobody talks like that in real life. It sounds too formal, too perfect, and honestly, a little weird.
Exactly. Real English is simple. People say, I'm doing good, not bad, pretty good, or even just good, you? These short expressions are what make your speaking sound natural and friendly.
And this is where many learners struggle. They study with textbooks, which are great for grammar, but the sentences are not how people actually talk on the street, at work, or with friends. If you want to sound natural, you need to learn the everyday phrases that native speakers use all the time. Things like, no worries, it's fine, hold on, that's cool, I got you, take your time, what's up? These small expressions make your English feel alive.
Yeah, sounding natural is not about long, perfect sentences. It's about rhythm and real-life language. Native speakers love short, relaxed phrases because they're fast and easy.
Here's a quick example. Textbook English says, can you please assist me with this problem? But a native speaker says, "Can you help me?" Or even, "Hey, quick question." Short and simple.
So start collecting natural phrases. Listen to movies, podcasts, YouTubers, and pay attention to the expressions they repeat. Write them down and use them in your daily conversations.
Because the more you use real-life English, the more confident and natural you'll sound. People will not only understand you better, they'll actually enjoy talking with you.
Learn real phrases. Use them daily. That's how you transform from textbook English to natural English.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and copying the sound instantly. It's like you become their echo. You don't think about grammar or correctness. You just follow the voice, the rhythm, and the melody.
This technique is powerful because it trains your mouth, your tongue, and even your breathing to match natural English patterns. If you've ever wondered why native speakers sound so smooth, it's because of their rhythm. Shadowing helps you learn that rhythm without studying rules.
Here's how it works. Choose a short clip from a movie, a podcast, or even a YouTube video. Something that's 5 to 10 seconds long. Listen to it once, then play it again and repeat at the same time. Copy every little detail, the tone, the emotion, the speed.
Don't worry if you can't say every word perfectly. That's normal. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to train your mouth to get comfortable with English sounds. Think of it like vocal exercise for speaking.
And the shorter the clip, the better the results. A small sentence like, "Hey, what's going on?" or "I'll be right back" is perfect. You hear it, you repeat it, and slowly your brain starts forming automatic patterns.
Exactly. And when you shadow daily, even for 5 minutes, you start noticing big changes. Your accent becomes softer, your words flow more easily, and your confidence jumps because your mouth finally knows what natural English feels like.
Another tip, don't only copy the words, copy the attitude. If the speaker sounds relaxed, you sound relaxed. If they sound excited, follow their energy. Natural English is not just about speaking, it's about expressing.
And you can do this anywhere. Walking, cooking, sitting on a bus. Just put in your earbuds and shadow a few lines. It's one of the simplest and most effective speaking practices ever.
Do this daily. Even small sessions help. Your mouth gets used to the movement, your ears become sharp, and your speaking becomes automatic.
Shadowing isn't just practice, it's transformation. This is how you train yourself to speak like a native. Fast doesn't mean fluent. A lot of learners think speaking quickly makes them sound like a native, but actually, it usually does the opposite. When you rush, your words mix together, your pronunciation gets unclear, and you lose confidence.
Exactly. Slow, smooth, and clear sounds much more natural. Native speakers don't speak fast all the time. They speak at a comfortable speed. They pause, they breathe, they stretch words, and they use natural expressions without rushing.
When you slow down just a little, you control your voice better. You choose your words more naturally, and guess what? People understand you more easily, which makes the conversation smoother.
Another big secret is intonation, the ups and downs in your voice. English is musical. We don't speak everything in one flat tone. We go up when we're excited, down when we're serious, and we curve our voice when we're asking questions.
Yeah. For example, listen to this. Really? Goes up. But okay goes down. These little changes make your English sound alive, friendly, and more native-like.
If you speak in one flat tone, even perfect sentences will sound unnatural. But if you add melody, even simple words like yeah, no, or sure sound natural.
A good practice is to exaggerate the intonation when you're practicing alone. Go a bit bigger than usual. Over time, your voice will naturally find the right rhythm.
So remember, speak slower not because you're weak, but because you're confident. And use those natural ups and downs to bring your English to life.
Sound smooth, not fast. That's the real key to natural speaking. Before we finish, let's do a tiny quiz to check what you've learned today. Ready?
Question 1. Should you translate in your head when speaking English?
Remember, translating slows you down. Thinking directly in English is the key to sounding natural.
Question 2. What is shadowing?
Shadowing is listening to a native speaker and immediately repeating what they say, copying the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. It helps your brain and mouth work together like a native speaker's.
Question 3. Give one natural expression you learned today, like not bad.
There are so many. Pretty good. I'm doing fine, or even sounds great. Using these daily makes your English feel real, not textbook.
If you answered these correctly, you're already on your way to speaking more naturally. Even small daily practice makes a huge difference.
The secret is consistency. Speak slowly, copy real conversations, and use the phrases you hear every day.
And don't worry about mistakes. Making errors is normal. Every native speaker did it too.
Your brain can think in English. Your mouth can move naturally. It just takes practice.
Shadow, repeat, slow down, and enjoy learning. That's how natural English comes to life.
Subscribe to Speak Easy English for more tips and keep practicing every day.
And remember, natural English isn't about perfection. It's about confidence, rhythm, and real conversation.
Try these exercises for 10 to 15 minutes daily, and you'll notice a huge improvement in how you speak.
Imagine having conversations where your words flow freely, your phrases feel natural, and you sound like a native speaker. That's your goal.
Keep it fun, keep it simple, and keep speaking.
See you in the next lesson.